Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be doing an Hermes unboxing. It's not going to be a true unboxing. If you've been following me on Instagram or YouTube, I've already shown this bag. I'm yet to bring her out, and tonight I have dinner with the girls, so I'm planning to finally bring this baby out. So just a little bit of background and to talk about the background in the back. None of those brands are from Hermes. As you can see, there's a Chanel right there, Chanel mini tweed, and then there's the Louis Vuitton Capucines X Murakami multicolor, and then finally this Coach Tabby 26 in the rainbow crystal. So all of these bags in the background are bags, including this one, Hermes, are bags that I bought at the end of 2025. Two of them has arrived during January, so I actually bought this Hermes bag first. After I've banned myself from buying a bag, I've completely lost it at the end of the year because I saw all of these goodies come online and I just couldn't resist. So I've since unbanned myself, and out of these 4 bags that I got at the end of the year, this was the bag that I actually had to unban myself because it was on my wish list. And when I visited Osaka in November, mid-November last year, November 11th, the week of 11th, I finally found her. It's in the color and leather that I've always wanted. I finally found her in the pre-loved market in Osaka, and I do have some connections in Japan, and I did a bit of research. So when I went to Osaka, there were like a ton of pre-love and vintage shops, and I was so excited when I did finally see her. And I also got an SLG to pair up matchy with it. So I'll first unbox the Hermes bag, and then I'll show you the SLG, and I also added an organizer for this bag already, so I thought today would be a good time for me to place the organizer insert along with what fits, because it's actually a very small bag. Enough with the talking, let's open this baby up. So let's just put the SLG here for now. And as you can see, I bought it in the shop, but they also knew that I was traveling, so they gave me a box that they were able to find in the shop. I think these usually come with online purchases, so I'll just put that in the back. And here is the Hermes box. Do a closer up. And it's packed super nicely. And here we have the Kelly Pochette in the Mauve Sylvestre in Epsom leather. So usually Kelly Pochettes come in the Swift leather, but I wanted her in Epsom. And yeah, I mean, it was either a Kelly Pochette or a mini Kelly. Mini Kellys are actually more expensive, and I was just really happy to find the Pochette because it actually fits more. The sticker is still on her. This is actually a pre-loved bag, but as you can see, it's in super mint condition, or pristine they call it. And it has a horseshoe stamp. You can see the sticker is still on there. I was very fortunate to find this one. I will try to remove the sticker in a bit. So here's the inside, and a closer look at the stamp. So a closer look at the stamp. I'm not sure if you're able to see her, but it's stamped in silver. And let me remove the sticker now, since I plan to bring her out. So So this is how she would look if I hold her like this. It's likely that I would close it up and just leave her like this and wear her like that. So I mentioned I already got her an organizer. So let me put this back. I got this baby pink organizer from, I don't remember which brand it is already, but I've already put all the stuff that I think I want to carry her in. But before I show you the contents in here, we have another small unboxing. I've already used this a lot in Hong Kong when I came back in November last year. And it's also the Calvi Duo in the same color, Mauve Sylvestre. And it's the one with the extra coin purse. I usually put cash. We don't carry much coins in Hong Kong anymore. And so this is the area you can put some cards and identification. And this is the organizer. I think it will be too much stuff, so I'll probably remove the hand lotion I have. What else do I have in here? You can put one lipstick or two lipstick. I have the double LV lip balm and lipstick from Louis Vuitton. Both the white and black. They're both reusable. So you can also remove her from the pouch if it's too bulky. I'll just keep her in the pouch for now. Also have napkins, my Chanel mirror. I have this in all of the rainbow colors to matchy with whichever bag I decide to use. A Dior Addict lip maximizer. I thought this is small enough to keep in here. It's quite cute. YSL blush in the color 44. And eye drops from Japan as well. So I haven't tried putting her into the bag yet. Like I said, it's gonna be my first time bringing her out tonight with the girls, and I think I will include her here like this. I think this would be a good way to put all the contents. Okay. Maybe I can even, there are perfume samples in this, and if I want I can also lay her down. So let's see if everything fits in this Kelly Pochette. It seems like it fits. I don't know how it will look when I try to close her up. Let's see. I guess I can make her slimmer. But yeah, basically it could carry everything that I just showed you into this mini Kelly Pochette. It's not called mini Kelly Pochette, but it's quite a small bag. It is definitely bigger, and it could hold more than the mini Kelly from my understanding. So that's why I wanted the Kelly Pochette, and because I feel like the Kelly Pochette is a little bit more casual when I bring her out than the mini Kelly, because it actually doesn't come with a strap, but I did buy an extra strap to use her if I want. I haven't used it yet like I mentioned, this is going to be my first time bringing her out, but I haven't decided if I want to use it with a strap or top handle. But I was able to find a bag strap for her, and if I was to bring her out, I see people doing it through the sides. It might ruin the bag, so that's why I haven't decided if I want to take her out yet, but it would be like this. So close up, this is how it would look. If I did want to make her less bulky, I'll probably remove the sample perfume, and I could always bring a smaller tissue. Maybe just one lipstick would be fine if I keep the white one. This way it would be less stuff, and I could probably carry her. Actually, it doesn't make too much of a difference physically, so if I wanted, I could add the other items that I just took out. It would probably be too small if I wanted to carry such a large hand cream, but if I wanted to not bring my blush out, because I don't really put on blush when I'm out anyway, I just thought this is really matchy to the bag. But if we were not to bring the blush, then we can definitely fit in the Christian Dior hand cream, and then we could again try closing her up. It is a little bit fussy, to be honest, with this bag, but you know, it is what it is. It's a really pretty bag that we have to give credit for. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that this is a bag I actually got the end of last year, November, and I wanted to really introduce her to you guys officially better, but then I got really busy in December after knowing that LV was coming back out with Murakami, and when I saw the Capucins, I couldn't resist, so I also got that bag. But before that, I saw this bag come online for sale, and I've wanted the Chanel Houndstooth teeth with the Coco Chanel ribbon all woven around it, like since 2020. So that suddenly appeared in my life again, and I couldn't resist, so I then bought the tweed mini flap, and then the Coach suddenly appeared, and it's just so bling and sparkly and gold, and Chinese New Year is coming up, and it's in like rainbow crystals. Anyway, I'm going off on a tangent. So the bag of the day is going to be this Kelly Pochette in Mauve Sylvestre in Epsom leather, and yeah, so this is it. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you like these type of unboxings and love bags and handbags and all things pretty and haven't subscribed already, please do so. I'd love for you to join my community, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Strawberry skies. Butterflies inside. Monday morning like a 1, 2, 3. Saw you laughing, didn't notice me. Your blue sweater, messy golden hair. I just froze, I forgot how to breathe. Math class doodles hearts on my page. Wrote your name in a secret code language. Every glance feels like a sweet escape. Hope this daydream never fades away. Is magic? Maybe it's true. When you smile, my whole world turns pink and blue. Strawberry skies. just can't move. Playlist